Happy Friday, guys. It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to yet again another video and another SoFi stock update. Listen, guys, we have to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do with SoFi stock as it is down over 4%, and as every index right now in the United States stock market is in the red big time. So guys, we have a lot to cover. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Mumu. Open up your account using that link down below and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, come on, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or simply go to stasurfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So, guys, like I said, SoFi stock is down over 4%. We're trading at $15.90 as every index in the U.S. stock market is down. We're talking the Russell's down 2%, QQQ 1.8%, S&P 500 down 1.4%, and we have the Dow down about 1% as the VIX, the volatility index, get ready for this, guys, is up over 17%. Unfreaking believable. So, guys, big red day for SoFi, for the entire stock market as we're slowly wrapping up the year and as we're wrapping up the week. So what's going on? What gives? You may be asking yourself, right? So in my opinion, what we're seeing right now, part of it at least, is profit taking. I do think people are locking in some profits, maybe putting some money aside right now for taxes as we're wrapping up the year. I mean, guys, we've had a monstrous bull market this year, which honestly I think will continue into the new year. We might get some rockiness to start off the year, maybe some more red, but ultimately I think the bull market will continue in 2025. But right now, as we're wrapping up the year, we're getting some profit taking, some selling, some, maybe people raising money for taxes, whatever it may be. I mean, we've had a crazy green year, so that's what I'm seeing. I'm not really noticing anything out of the ordinary, like, crazy panic selling or anything like that, or a big piece of news or a negative catalyst. I mean, this is just simply, end of the year selling, profit taking, and, that's what it is. I've seen this time and time again, guys, as I've been in the stock market now for about a decade. It's crazy, man. I've seen this happen time and time again. So I'm not stressing at all. SoFi's down now almost 4.5%, 75 cents in the red. But ultimately, guys, we are still holding an uptrend. You guys can see that here on the 5-day, 5-minute. It's pretty obvious. If I get this channel tool out, if I draw it out, boom, you guys see now we're actually at the bottom of this channel on the 5-day, 5-minute. In fact, we're holding it. We're holding it as support, as going back to the intraday chart. You guys can see we've been consolidating at about 1580, 1590 for the last, 2-3 hours of trading now. So SoFi, guys, even though it's beaten up, no doubt it's red, every index is in the red, SoFi is still looking decent on this 5-day, 5-minute. The trend is still holding. And on the 30-day or 30-minute, you guys see that as well. We have the channel holding. We still have a golden cross. We're above the 180 SMA. We're holding a higher low right here. It looks decent. It looks pretty good, honestly, guys. And on the 1-hour chart, you guys can see here, if I get this, trend line drawn out, you guys see we're holding 1550, 1560, which has held as support all throughout this month of December, except for that one-off sell-off we got down to $14. Obviously, 1550, 60 did not hold as support during that sell-off. But now we're holding above it. We're above that level. which is good in the very short term. And here on the 4-hour chart, you might see a little something wonky, which I'm looking at this and I see it as well. We do have a head and shoulder. So guys, we always keep it real. I try my best not to be biased on either side here, when looking at these charts, and we got to play devil's advocate here, right? Obviously, I'm long, I'm bullish. I've traded this stock. I'm in it at $6.80. I'm in at a very low average cost. So I'm in the stock, guys, but at the same time, I keep it real with the charts, and I tell it to you guys how it is. We do have, a head and shoulders here, as, we also have that uptrend continuing on the 5-day, 5-minute. Two things could be right at the same time, right? You guys see that, we're holding that channel that we called out a couple minutes ago on the 5-day, 5-minute, but we're also seeing the head and shoulders on the 4-hour chart, which right now, if I zoom in a little bit, the neckline is at about 1660, 1670, which we're getting rejected at right now. If I draw this out, you guys see that neckline clear as day. We're getting hit there, and this could be the right shoulder forming, maybe starting to play out on Sofi, which obviously it's not guaranteed that we're going to collapse now. A massive dump is coming. Not guaranteed, obviously, nor am I banking on that, obviously. But could this come down maybe lower 15s? It could. And then I suspect buyers to come in right around that 180 moving average on the 4-hour chart, and for this uptrend to ultimately continue. I think that will happen here heading into the new year. I could be wrong. Who knows? But yeah, guys, at this point, if you're looking at the head and shoulders, which we all should be watching it, we have to get a break out of the neckline, especially if you're a bull here. So I'm going to set my alert at $16, and I'll do 50 cents, $16.50. Mark is at or above, and if we're able to get out of there, whether it's, next week, the week after, we'll see. That'd be ideal for the bulls if we're able to retake not only 16, but also $16.50. So what do you guys think? I'll leave it to you now. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. And before we look at quickly the indexes here, make sure to join the email list every Monday for free. It's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks right to your email. All you have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link right down below. Very simple, just like that, guys. Very easy. So make sure you join that email list. And look, all the indexes right now are in the green, but what I am noticing, guys, on the intraday chart on a lot of these indexes, we might be putting in a bottom at least for today. I don't know. I mean, look, we are seeing consolidation, if you will, at about 592 on SPY on the intraday. QQQ, we're noticing it at about 518, 520. That's a big spot of support. And on the Dow Jones, we're seeing it kind of at about 42.8, 42.7. And on the Russell here, as it is down 2%, we are seeing support on the day roughly at about 22.30, 22.40. So yeah, what do you guys think about the indexes, SoFi? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube and get your free stocks from Mumu. It's literally free money, guys. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.